Hello everyone, this is Sherwin here from TechOS, and today I'm going to be taking a look at how you can use text replacement in iOS 9. Now, this is in iOS 8 shown as text shortcuts and keyboard shortcuts, and you'll see that in the video. However, what this essentially allows you to do is type faster when you're using your devices. So, for example, if you set a shortcut for perhaps something that you type a lot, so maybe you type your email address out a lot, maybe you'll want to set up a shortcut for that so you won't have to keep typing out the whole thing. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, first of all, you're going to open up settings, then you're going to scroll down until you see general. You're going to want to tap on that. Then you're going to scroll all the way, I think it's down at the bottom, here you go. You're going to see keyboard. You're going to want to click on that, and here you'll see shortcuts. Now, if you are running iOS 9, you will see, instead of shortcuts, text replacement. That's been a new feature that, well, something that Apple have changed. So I click on that. As you can see, there is one default that's always there with the iPhone. If you type in OMW, it will type in on my way. So I'm going to show you how you can create a new shortcut. Now, go to the top right and click on Add. Now, I can choose the phrase that I want to type. So say if I want to type in my email, my TechOS email, and by the way, that is contact.techos, if I can type properly, there you go, techos at gmail, gmail.com. So that's my TechOS email. Obviously, guys, if you want to get any additional support, I will obviously reply, get you back on track. Do email me, and I can set my shortcut to email T for TechOS, email TechOS. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can use this. So if I go into notes, and I'm just going to just get rid of that. That was a note I was using. But yeah, so I'm just going to type in email T, and if I hit the spacebar, it will type in my email address. Now I'm going to show you another way you can do this. If I type in email T, as you can see, QuickType is actually suggesting that, so I can just tap on QuickType and it will do the same thing. So that's essentially what shortcuts do. You can use paragraphs of text if you want to, so if you have a paragraph of text that perhaps you add to the bottom of every email, you can do the same thing and maybe do a different shortcut for each email. So that'd be useful for perhaps if you've got a email, perhaps you don't want to have to keep changing your signature each time for your email. So instead, you can just use a shortcut so you can change the signature depending on what type of email you're sending out. Now, I'm going to show you how you can edit these. You can go to the bottom left hand corner and click on edit, and now I have the option to either click on the sort of no entry sign to either delete a shortcut, and also I can do that. So I can also search shortcuts. So if I have lots of shortcuts installed on my phone, I can obviously search through them if I need to edit a certain one. And I can also use this bar, this this alphabet bar at the side, which I can use to scrub through my various shortcuts that I've set up on the phone. But yeah, so that's a look at text replacements or text shortcuts on iOS. You can get the same feature on the Mac, and that's essentially the same. I think all you have to do is go into, let me just look it up now. You have to go to System Preferences, it's Keyboard, and then at the top just click on the Shortcuts tab, and that will take you into the Shortcuts box. Sorry, no. go into Settings, System Preferences, and Text, not Shortcuts, and that will let you create a shortcut. So that's it for today's video. If you've got any questions or comments, do email me. Here it is, contact.techos@gmail.com. Get in contact with me any other way. Oh, I've just activated Siri there. Do get in contact with me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.